Hi friends, in this video I am going to show about how you fix a problem Django admin. Now you see Django admin is not recognized as an internal or external. How I fix it? Now click on mm, edit the environment system environment variables. Click on it. Now check on it and after that click on system path and here now click on new and also go to file explorer and you see go to local disk C users username. After that go to app data local. After that go to programs python and here go to script folder and simply copy this path. Go to here environment variables, click on new, paste it here and press enter. After that save it. Also press OK on here and now check it. Django, no, not working still. Restart CMD and now check Django admin. Now you see Django admin is successfully installed and our error is fixed. If you like my video, kindly like it and also share it with friends and subscribe my channel.